so for today, try natin mag-solve ng isang problem about transformers. So meron tayong problem dito. A 75 kVA single-phase transformer has secondary winding impedance of ZS is equal to 0.02 plus J 0.08 ohm. Calculate the secondary induced voltage in volts when the transformer is supplying full load at unity power factor and 240 volts. So, ang hinahanap natin for this problem is yung induced voltage sa secondary. And take note, hindi ito yung output voltage natin. Since meron nga tayong given na impedance dun sa secondary winding natin, di ba? So, kung titignan natin for single phase, so ito yung primary natin and secondary winding. Meron ka dyang impedance and after ng impedance, dito mo ngayon makukuha yung output voltage natin na 240 volts. So, since minimal lang naman yung impedance natin, so, i-assume natin na 75 kVA pa rin yung output power nung transformer natin. Or usually, kapag sa mga problem, ang binibigay na kVA is yung output nung transformer. So, 75 kVA. So ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is yung voltage dito. Yung induced voltage sa secondary. Okay, so first, para makuha natin yan, siguro try muna natin identify yung secondary current natin. So I is equal to, so meron tayong power dito and voltage. So 75 times 10 raised to 3 divided by 240 angle 0. So take note lang na AC itong system natin. So kailangan natin i-consider yung mga phase differences natin. And since may given tayong impedance dito, so hindi lang ito resistance. So kailangan din natin i-consider yung reactance natin. Okay. So I natin is equal to 75 times 10 raised to 3 divided by 240. So, ang sagot is 312.5. So, 312.5 angle 0 ampere. Since operating siya at unity power factor, so 0 yung phase difference natin between voltage and current. So, I secondary. Ngayon, kailangan na natin computein yung voltage natin dito. So, meron tayong impedance dito, meron tayong voltage, meron tayong current. So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is yung, tignan natin yung flow nung power. So, meron kang 240 dito, meron kang impedance and induced voltage. So, ito yung magiging parang source voltage mo for secondary. So, tignan natin yung mga voltage natin. So, voltage, Kirchhoff's voltage law. So, try natin mag-KVL dito. So, try natin i-assume na yung V natin is VS. Ito yung nandito. So, VS to. And ito is equal to VL or V load na lang. So, VS is equal to, kapag nag-KVL ka dyan, so, VS is equal to impedance times current natin. So, 312.5 angle 0 degrees multiplied by 0.02 plus J 0.08 plus yung 240 volts natin. 240 angle 0 degrees. So, hindi na natin i-convert yung 240 since single phase lang naman siya. Okay, so ito na yung magiging formula natin for induced secondary voltage. So, try natin i-solve. So, kailangan nating mag-complex mode dito. So, VS is equal to 312.5 angle of 0.02. I mean, 0 pala, 0 multiplied by 0.02 plus 0.08I. Next, meron tayong voltage, 240. Okay, so ang sagot natin dito is itong magnitude na nakuha natin, which is 247.52. So, Vs is equal to 247.52 volts. Or lagay na lang natin yung difference or yung angle. 5.8. Angle 5.8 degrees volts. Pero ang kukunin natin for this problem is just the magnitude of the voltage, which is 247.52. So, ang magiging sagot natin for this problem is just letter A, 247.5. Ito yung nearest sa nakuha natin. Okay, so with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. See you sa next video natin, guys. Bye!